guys, welcome back to Shakera's vlog. So vacation is over, back to motherfucking reality. And honestly, since I've come back, I've been like a little bit depressed. I don't know why. Well, I do know why, I just wish not to share. But yeah, I've been a little depressed. But like right now I'm about to go get my feet done, you know, because you know, self-care sometimes kind of ease your mind from stuff. So that's what I'm about to do. And I was gonna take myself on a solo date tonight. It depends on how I'm feeling. If not, I'm gonna go tomorrow. I was been supposed to do this for myself. Like my friend and my sister thinks I really need this, but it's like a solo date. That sounds weird. Like I don't know, I feel like I could do it because like I'm a loner. I enjoy my own space, my own company, being at home alone. I love that. So I think me going on a solo date shouldn't be a problem. But I don't know if I'm gonna do casual or dress up. But you guys definitely gonna see because I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So yeah. Y'all, I always have problem with that machine. So I just got back from getting my feet done, and I honestly don't think I'm going anywhere tonight. I knew I wasn't going anywhere, but I really do need to go. But right now, honestly, it's because my nails, like, they're busted. I'm not trying to go out like this. So I have some press-ons that I'm gonna put on. I'm gonna try to pop these off now, and I'm gonna get cozy because I won't be doing anything today. And right now I'm about to make me some iced coffee, which I shouldn't because outside was bricks. So I do need something warm, but oh well. If y'all could taste this right now, like
it was at this moment that she knew she fucked up.
Yo, look at my coffee, and that shit was bussin'. Like, what the hell? I forgot to tell you guys what happened here because I was so pissed out. But my baby was making her way down the stairs. Like, I have to save my baby first because I can't always make our next coffee. I can't make back a medicine. I really wanted that coffee too, because my favorite coffee is the Jamaican coffee, and I never really had it iced before. And the one time I decide say make a drink it ice, it warm, dash way. So bomba clot. But I like problem in a. I'm sorry. Hey guys, happy Saturday. So I woke up in a great mood today. Like I'm super excited about my solo day tonight, and I can't wait. I think I was gonna go for comfy, but I changed my mind this morning that I'm gonna actually wear heels. I took my nails off not too long ago, but I'm about to put on some press-ons, and these press-ons that I'm about to put on are from Glamnetic. They were kind enough to send me some goodies. I didn't open it yet, but I do know what's inside, and I'm like super excited, and I can't wait to get glammed up. So let me go ahead and open her up and show you guys what I got. What's the matter with you? Yo, Madison is such a happy baby. So these are all the goodies that I received. This is an eyeliner. I got 2 press-ons, and I chose these because the ones that I like were actually sold out. But these are cute. And I got 3 magnetic lashes. And I also got a pair of tweezers, and they call it the Glamnetic Lash Grab. So I want to thank Glamnetic so much for sending me these products because they came just in time. So guys, I'm about to go take me a shower, and I'm gonna put my nails on from now. It's like 2:19 in the afternoon. My reservation is at 8:30. So, and I also need to take these off, but this is gonna be my first time trying magnetic lashes.
Push the beat. Yeah, push the beat. Turn me up. Turn me up, please. Partners in the paddock, get my piece. Push the beat. Cop no hammers for my piece. We don't want no peace. Got a spot at pump spot. for peace. Drop the data, now we fly beside the peace. She not a lesbian for peace, she turned lesbian. Push a P, push a P. I'm capital P, I write the president, I'm president. Push a P. Portuguese on her knees, my banana P. She let me squeeze, then she leave, cause she keep the P. Privacy, privacy, bitch, I'm push a P. Purple paint, pussy paint, bitch, I'm push a P. Push a P, push a P, push a P, push a P. Push a P, push a P. Push a P, push a P. Pop a P, a paranoid. I keep sleep, pockets deep. Got rest on me while they watching me on the push.
Y'all, tell me these aren't nice. Like, these are bomb as hell.
Hey guys, I'm back. It's later in the night, and as y'all see, makeup is down, and all I have to do right now is add the lashes. And because the lashes are magnetic, I have to apply this liner so it could actually stick to it. The first lash that I received is this one, and it's in the style Vogue, and it's so freaking gorgeous. And also this one is called Lavish, and the last one is Lush, and it just looks like this. But yeah, Vogue is giving everything, so this is the one I'm choosing tonight. So let me just go ahead and apply this liner. I don't even have a mini mirror because the one I had broke. Hold on, guys. Y'all know I'm half blind, so I need this shit close as possible. Damn, it's dirty. Hopefully this is thick enough. So let me grab the tweezers, and they're like this with a little comb at the end. Super cute. This is what it looks like close up, and you can see the magnets on it. It's 6 of them. I don't know if I mentioned, but this is my first time ever trying magnetic lashes. Okay, it's giving natural, but I think I need to add just a little bit more liner on the end. But like, y'all, it's giving. So guys, I finished the look, and I added a little pop of color and some mascara, and the lashes are fire. Like, I really do love them. And I kind of messed up with the eyeliner up here, but I'm about to fix that in a few. I got to go because the bitch is running late. So guys, these are the nails. I love that they're not too long and not too short, and the ombre is given. And also I got a coupon code for you guys, period. Okay, I also got a new fragrance. I treated myself for Valentine's Day. It was a little pricey, but I think it's worth it, and it smells so freaking good. Oh my god. Last night was so much fun, and I was not expecting that. I was having the time of my life. You would have sworn I had company with me. I think I need to start doing more solo dates. And y'all, I drank so much. I don't even know how I got home. I know I took a lift, but like, I don't remember putting the code to get in my house. Even that cut y'all see on my hand, bitch, I busted my ass in the bathroom. I don't remember shit. And right now I'm just taking off my makeup. I'm gonna get something to eat, and then I want to make some TikTok content, because if y'all don't know, I bitch I've been TikToking in the streets. So if you haven't followed me yet, definitely go follow me, XO Shakera. And I might show you guys a little bit behind the scenes of what I'm doing today. It should be fun. But let me just finish, do what I'm doing, and then I'll check back in with you guys.
Got a bad bitch in my pants right now. She got on a Gucci gown, ready to get piped down. That's 900,000, cause I get a dark cloud. Know where we going down, money stretch out 1,000 miles. The riches on the south, I got some cameras on my finger, this shit cost a house. My shorty say you too much for me,